Alam ba ng tatay mo?
Hindi po. Inumpisan ko po siya hanapin after election.
Ayon sa ABS-CBN News, Dennis Gasgonia, published noong June 2, 2024, a former associate of Bamban Tarlac, Mayor Alice Go surfaced on Sunday to debunk reports relating to the woman who has been tagged as possibly the mayor's biological mother. Nancy Gamo, a former consultant of Goa, said that the woman who has been tagged as the Bamban mayor's mother is merely girlfriend of Go's father. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian named a certain Lin Wenyi be introduced as Go's mother in Venezuela, where the Go's used to run a business.
Nauna nang sinabi ni Gatchalian na sa tingin niya, posibleng si Lin ang ina ni Go dahil incorporator siya ng 7 sa 14 na kumpanyang nakapangalan kay Go.
Nakikita ko yan sa mga family business na pag family business ka, yung nanay mo, incorporator, yung tatay mo, incorporator, mga kapatid mo, incorporator, officers rin kayo lahat. Nagtanong-tanong ako at lumalabas sa mga sagot ay ipinakilalang nanay itong si Li Wenyi. Napakadaling mag-imbento ng kwento. Kaya ang pinakamaganda ngayon ay mag-DNA silang dalawa. Para mapatunayan na itong mga lumalabas na impormasyon ay hindi totoo.
Yung minimension nilang mother ni Mayor Alice, hindi po niya nanay yun, kundi partner lang po ng tatay niya at isa po siya sa incorporator sa korporasyon nila, said Gamo in an interview on Teleradyo Servicio on Sunday. Nakita ko na siya ng personal pag ako nagpapapirma ng mga articles of incorporation. Nakikita ko na pumipirma siya. Lin Wenyi ang pangalan niya. Gamo explained to have worked with Go for more than 10 years in relation to her business transactions, even before the latter was elected as Bamban mayor. Nakilala ko siya way back 2012 pa, she said. Initially, tumutulong ako sa kanya regarding corporate housekeeping at nag-aayos ng mga dokumento ayon sa requirements ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno. Nagkaroon ako ng project sa kanya, gumagawa ko ng dokumento tulad ng Memorandum of Agreement, mga date of transfer, assignment of shares sa isang kumpanya na pag-aaral niya kasama ng tatay niya, she added. Gamo claimed she decided to surface to share what she knows about Go's personal life. Mahalaga itong nagpapakita itong tiwala at malalim na personal na pagkakilala sa pagkatao ni Mayor Alice, pati na rin sa aspeto ng kanyang buhay at pamilya, she said. Pagdating kasi sa pagdinig sa Senado, hindi naman po niya in-expect ang pagtrato sa kanya na ganyan and humaba naging sarsuela. Lin's name was first mentioned by Gatchalian in a forum last week. The senator said that contrary to the Bamban mayor's testimony that her mother was a Filipino housekeeper, Lin was introduced as Go's mother to the people of Venezuela City, where the Go family used to have a business. Senator Riza Hontiveros on Thursday also revealed documents showing that a certain Lin Wenyi lived in the same address as Go. Go came under a fire for allegedly linked to a Philippine offshore gaming operator, Pogo, raided by authorities early this year. The Senate also scrutinized the Bamban mayor's personal background on suspicions that she might be a Chinese citizen. Gamo also denied Go's involvement in Pogo operations. Wala po siyang kinalaman, ang pagkakaalam ko lang. Base dun sa Senate hearing sa kanya po ang property. Hanggang doon lang po, she said. Gamo claimed that she is voluntarily surfacing without being prompted by Go's rank camp. She added that she is open to attending the Senate hearing on Go's case if needed. Kung may kinakailangan sagutin, pwede naman po, she said.
Hindi po talaga kaya. Hindi ko po kaya sabihin on camera yung aking privacy. Ayaw ko po ma-judge po ako ng tao. At lalong-lalo na po, ayaw ko po sabihin sa akin ng tao, anakin ng katulong. Ayaw ko po yun. Actually, nagpapasalamat na rin po ako, Ma'am Karen. Before nangyari to, galit po ako sa biological mother ko. Kasi iniwanan niya ako eh. Pero after this po, Ma'am Karen, gusto ko po siya makita. Gusto ko po makita sa mata niya na sabihin po niya sa akin, mahal niya ako.